Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $2,000 answering questions. So you're going to be able to earn quick PayPal money using this method of making money online. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as hitting the bell icon for notifications when I post future videos. If you're not a huge fan of making money online this way, check out my number one recommendation, Making Money Online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. So guys, I am doing my best to push out as many videos as possible. I love to see the subscribers subscribe. We really appreciate each and every one of you. It keeps our channel going, and we really, really, really appreciate you. So big shout out and thank you to the people who have already hit the subscribe button. So guys, getting right into this video, we are going to go to a site called prolific.co, not .com. If you put .com in, you're going to come up with some like weird laptop, cell phone, just a really odd site. So it's prolific.co. And hold on one second, guys. Close, no show again. So this is a site where they are doing surveys. You get to participate in surveys. As we all know, I am not the biggest fan of surveys, but this isn't like any other site. It's a legitimate site where you can actually make some serious money online if you put the time and energy into it. It goes along with keeping your profile super updated and responding to these studies as quickly as possible. So when you go to prolific.co, this is the site that you're going to come to. And there are universities that are using this site like Oxford, Harvard, Stanford, the Cancer Research of UK, Yale, and the World Bank. So a lot of people are actually using the information that you are going to be providing to them during the studies, big name companies, as well as universities. So this is what the first page is going to look like. These are the type of people who they're looking for. One thing about this site is you do not need to be a PhD. You don't even need to have a college education. You just need to be 18 years old or older. It's going to be paying through PayPal. And like I've told you a bunch of times in my previous videos before, get yourself a PayPal account. It literally takes a valid bank account as well as a valid email to set up a PayPal account. PayPal is super important. A lot of these methods of making money online pay through PayPal. So it's super important to get yourself your PayPal account, to get yourself making money online and be able to create a little bit of a side hustle for you, especially with the whole pandemic that we have going on, and you're a little bit nervous about leaving your house. You're going to want to be able to make money online. So get yourself your PayPal set up so you can start making money immediately. So this site is a worldwide method of making money. It uses PayPal to pay out. You need to be 18 years old or older, and it does pay out every Tuesday and Friday. So if you do a study, you will get paid either the following Tuesday or Friday, depending on how many of these studies and surveys that you participate in. So there's not going to be much that you can really do on this page. I'm going to have you go right here to click to participate. This is the part that you want. I say I want to see this. So you click on I want to take part in studies. You can also recruit participants, but that's a whole nother video for us to be getting into. You're going to want to list what country you're in. And as you can see, guys, there are a lot of countries. So this should be a model of making money for quite a few different people from a ton of different places. So find your country. It looks like they do a lot in Africa, Romania, a bunch of places, Malta, Lithuania, Kuwait, Iraq, the United States, the UK, Egypt, Cambodia, Belgium, Aruba. So there's a bunch of places that accept your country. You're going to fill out your name, your last name, your email. You're going to set a password. You're going to confirm it, and then you're going to click these two. I've read and agreed to all terms and conditions, and I am happy to receive promotional information from the Prolific about relevant services and offers from time to time. So once you get yourself signed up, Go backspace, go right over here to learn more, so you can learn more about how this Prolific works. Sorry guys, I got a little tongue tied there. Researchers want to understand how people think and behave. So this is really a study about why people think the way that they think and why they do the things that they do. You are going to get paid in cash by taking part in these research studies. There's no points, there's no prizes, there's no coins, there's no gift cards. Hard, cold cash. That's what we like to hear, right, guys? And you don't have to be a super brilliant rocket scientist to participate in these studies. They just want to, the average Joe Schmo to explain why they do the things that they do. You can get started in minutes. Just sign up, answer some screening questions. Now, this is going to be one of the most important parts because you're going to want to make sure that these studies get paired up directly to you and the profile that you've set for yourself, because they're going to try and pair you up and ask you questions that are completely relevant to you. So make sure that your profile is always up to date and that you're checking it often so that way you can participate in as many studies as they have. So they have surveys and games and about scientific research. They have new products, public opinion. They can take from minutes to hours. And the multi-part studies over longer periods always tend to pay a little bit more. I know that the pay does start out. It starts out at $6.50 an hour, which doesn't sound like a lot, but if you get enough studies in there, you're going to be able to make a really nice chunk of change for your little bit of side hustle. Like I said, $6.50 per hour. And you cash out easily into your PayPal. I think you need to have like £5 to be able to cash out. There are 70,000 participants and counting using this method of making money. It's one of the best survey sites, study sites that I have found. Let's just pop over here. There are some reviews that I looked at. The best way to get more prolific studies is to make sure that your profile is up to date and regularly checking and completing any additional profile questions that do appear. That way, they're able to match you to more studies. You have to keep this up to date. You need to be answering the questions that they ask you to get more studies in order to make more money. You'll not always be notified. You will not always be notified when there are studies. So keep checking, guys. Make sure you keep checking if you want to be able to make the money that you need to make here on this site. Another thing that I want to draw your attention to is all of these are actual payments made out with this site. They have $19 here. It's quick, easy money. $5 here, you just cash it out once you make what you want to make. This person made $62.57 using the site. So there's a lot of people that are actually making cold, hard cash using this method of making money, and they posted some of their proofs here. So definitely check it out. I also went over to Reddit and Beer Money, and some mega head thread was posting his earnings that he's made online. They're like different things like swag bucks, just respondent, things like that. And I found that the site that we're talking about right now has already paid him this month $86.49. So it is possible to make money online using this method of making money. You just need to just really take a look at it, make sure that you keep your profile up to date, and that you are checking it regularly, because they're not going to be letting you know every single time that a study is available. So make sure that you keep your eye on it and you keep checking. We're going to pop over here to the Help Center too. They have most commonly asked questions, knowledge base, getting paid, taking part of these studies. So they just pretty much explain exactly how everything works. If you have a question, just stop over here to the help desk. Frequently asked questions they have, how they're dealing with the COVID crisis, anything that you could think of, they're going to be able to answer these questions for you. And that's it, guys. It's really simple. It's really easy. It's you can't make money online any easier. But it's not going to be passive income, and it's definitely not going to get you rich. If you're looking for something more along those lines, I have my link in the description below if you want to see how I'm doing what I'm doing. But if you did like this video, you think it might be right up your alley, make sure to give it a like, as well as hitting the subscribe button. Definitely ring the bell icon so that way you can get notifications for future videos that I will be posting. But like I said, guys, if you want to know how I make money online and have a passive income each and every day, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys.